Meet Oliver the onion. He looks innocent enough, right? Just sitting there, minding his own business. But Oliver is hiding a secret weapon that's about to turn your kitchen into a tear-jerking battlefield. You see, Oliver isn't just any vegetable. He's basically a chemical warfare expert in disguise. Inside Oliver's layers live millions of tiny troublemakers called sulfur compounds. Think of them as microscopic pranksters just waiting for their moment to strike. These little guys have been hanging out peacefully, but the moment you grab that knife, it's game time. They're like the Onion's personal defense squad, and you're about to become their target. Slice! The moment your knife breaks Oliver's cell walls, it's like opening Pandora's box. Those sulfur troublemakers go whee! And launch themselves into the air faster than you can say, "Why am I crying?" They're not just escaping. They're on a mission to find the nearest pair of eyeballs. And guess whose eyes are right there in the danger zone? Here's where things get scientifically sneaky. When those sulfur compounds hit the moisture in your eyes, they transform into sulfuric acid. Yes, acid. Don't panic, though. It's super diluted. But your eyes are like, nope, 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 and immediately call for backup. Your tear ducts go into overdrive mode, flooding your eyes faster than a broken fire hydrant. And that's why your nose freaks out, and your eyes turn into waterfalls. It's not personal. Oliver's just trying to protect himself the only way he knows how. Your tears are actually your body's smart way of washing out those sneaky sulfur invaders. So next time you're crying over onions, remember, you're not being dramatic. You're just experiencing a tiny chemical battle between you and a vegetable. And honestly, the onion usually wins. But hey, at least now you know why your nose declares war every time you cook.